You want to see? So Aaron finished this last area. He built this fence and the gate. So got some cleanup. And of course he built and designed the coop too. Ooh. The coolest thing about this, you guys, is that designing and building it himself using a small portion of reclaimed materials, but mostly a shipment of lumber and plywood. And we have donated tires. He built this little coop rest for them. We'll have nesting areas in here. He built this door using this donated clear cover as well too. But this coop cost around $1,800. It would have definitely been over $5 to $6 to buy and have to get delivered. So with the house being right up here, we'll be able to just come out in the morning, open the gate, and collect eggs from one of 2 coops. So there we have one right here, and then number 2 is back there. You guys, I didn't even show you the coolest thing either. He built this little coop lift. So we'll be able to just come in here, and even cooler, these can be removed as well. So I think he did a great job.